What's happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back with your weekly shop update. We don't have a lot to share with you again. Things continue to be a little bit slow, but we do have some new products that we want to highlight today. We will start off with the Uni Yarn. Not a super flashy product. Might not catch all your guys' attention, but this is a quality product that we will inevitably send a lot of packages out with. So we offer that in every color. Photos are coming. We do have a few photos on the website, and look for that as we continue to increase our fly tying selection. Another thing that we wanted to hone in on is in the shop, we have a bunch of books up front. If you've been here and visited us before, you know that we have some great literature on fly fishing and fly tying, and we have been working on getting those all up on the website. So we have some great information on sea run cutthroat, the story and life of a fly fisherman, and then just some classic fly tying books from some very famous people in the industry, such as Kelly Gallup, that I just showcased in front of us. So we want to let you guys know that we do have the vast majority of those on the website, and we will continue to grow that as we get them all on the website. And it is something that we want to take pride in, and we will continue to improve our literature here at Spawn Fly Fish. As you guys know, Pete is a bookworm. He's read every single book there is on fly tying and fly fishing. So if you have a question about a book or a specific topic and you'd like to read up on it, give us a shout and we will be sure to help you guys out. That's about it as it goes as far as new products. We don't have a lot, and we will hopefully get things ramping back up here soon. As far as dates, this is something that we really, really want to hone in on, and do not forget and do not miss out. May 15th through May 20th, so Monday through Saturday that week, we will be celebrating our 2-year in-store anniversary. It'll be the second year we've been open in completion, and we are super, super stoked about it. We're going to do a full sale in-store only. So I want to reiterate that. In-store only, store-wide sale. Don't miss out on it. We'll be sticking stickers all over things. So don't miss out on it. Make the journey down to Owaco. Come see us. And if you're going to come see us on that Friday. We're going to be cooking up some hot dogs in the parking lot, maybe giving some free stuff away. Who knows? It'll be fun. We'll figure it out as it goes. We will continue to elaborate on that event as we get closer. Right now we're shooting for a 3 to 6 p.m. Time period, so look forward to that. We will have free hot dogs for everybody, and we'll have some other sides and whatnot, and maybe some drinks. So we're really looking forward to sharing that moment with you guys. We never got to have a grand opening party. That's not something we ever got to do. We opened during COVID. It was really a bizarre time. We never got to celebrate what it was like to open a fly shop, so we're hoping to celebrate this for the first time. So mark your calendars. Come see us. It'll be fun. If anything, just come down and talk fishing with Pete and I. It'll be a great time. And we really look forward to having this and having you guys down here. And if you want to buy something nice, the likelihood is that it will be on sale. So, all right, segueing off of the dates. Again, May 15th through the 20th, May 19th being the Shindig. So, out of dates. Move on to the fishing report. This is what most of you guys care about. And we get a lot of questions or calls weekly. How's this river fishing? How's this lake fishing? How's the jetty fishing? Because you guys know that we love to fish. The jetty has been a little bit challenging. We would like to talk about that again, but it does seem to be picking back up a little bit. We had a really good report last night from somebody that's very trustworthy. The water clarity was very good, which has been the missing link in a lot of our success lately. So we'll likely get out here in the next couple days. Participate. The swell looks really good. We did just publish a blog on our website about ocean swell, which is really, really vital when you're planning your trip down here. The last thing we want you guys to do is drive all the way down here and see a 10-foot swell with a two-second interval and just put yourself in a bad situation. So be sure to check that out. And the fishing has been so-so for the jetty. As for the rivers are still closed. Streams are still closed. Creeks are still closed. Stillwater continues to be doing just fine. In fact, with our warm temperatures that we got last week, the water temperature rose a little bit. Pete and I were out on Black Lake yesterday, and there are some bass lurking in the shadows. So bass fishing has been good. So check it out. be sure to get out on the water. And smallmouth has also been heating up farther up the Columbia. We appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks for everything you guys do. We look forward to seeing you guys soon. And hit like, hit subscribe, and we will see you guys next week. Cut.